once again to my class. Today we are solving word problem. This question says, a company donates 935 pencils to a school. The pencils are divided evenly, which means equally, among 9 classrooms. The rest of the pencils are given to the library. How many pencils were donated to each classroom and to the library? What are the keywords here? They donated 935 pencils to a school. The pencils were shared evenly, that means equally, among 9 classrooms. And the rest of the pencils are given to the library. That means they didn't want any class to have more than another class. That is why the rest of the pencils were given to the library. Now, when you're solving word problem, look out for keywords. The first keyword we are looking at here is divided. Sometimes you will see divided, shared, distributed. All these point towards the same thing. We are to divide. And the best way to divide is the use of long division. So we are going to divide. What are we dividing? 935 divided by 9. Now, let's divide. Can 9 divide 9? Yes, 9 can divide 9. So we put, if 9 divides 9, we have 1. We put it on top. 1 times 9, 9. We write it down and subtract. 9 minus 9 gives us 0. We bring down the next number, 3. This is a mistake a lot of children make. Now we have brought 3 down, 9 can still not divide. We are going to bring down another number. But first of all, I always tell students, when you bring down a number and try to divide it and it cannot divide, before you bring down the next number, please put a 0 on top. You cannot bring down 3 and tell yourself, 9 cannot divide. Let me bring down 5 to make 35. No, if you don't write a 0 on top, you would end up with a wrong answer, even though you followed the processes correctly. Do you get that? So 9 divided 9 gave us 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. We brought down 3. But 9 cannot divide 3, which we just brought down. So we have to put 0 on top to show that 9 could not divide 3, before we then bring down the next number, which is 5. Now 9 can divide 35, and if 9 divides 35, let's use a multiplication table. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4 is 36, which is more than the number we are dividing. So we don't do times 4. We do 9 times 3 is 27. So if 9 divides 35, we have 3. 3 times 9, 27. 27. We subtract. 5 take away 7. Cannot go. We take from here. 15 take away 7 gives us 8. There is no other number to bring down, so this means that this is remainder 8. But that is not the end of the question, because this is not what we were asked. This is just a method of getting to the question we were asked. Now the question says, how many pencils were donated to each classroom and to the library? They shared equally. That means each classroom and library. That means each classroom gets, this means that each classroom gets 103 pencils. 103. While this remainder was given to the library, and the library got 8. That is the answer to this question. Was that broken down easily enough for you? If yes, ensure to subscribe and see you in the next class. Thank you.